welcome to today's episode of the Apocalypse Cooking Channel. Today, we're making biscuits. Biscuits are really easy to make. All you're going to need is 3 cups or 360 grams of all-purpose flour, a cup to a cup and a half of milk or 200 to 250 grams, 14 grams or 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 12 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 stick or about 110 grams of butter, a ring cutter if you don't have one of these, I'll show you just how to cut squares, a rolling pin, a mixing bowl, and a box grater. And then you're going to need a sheet tray to bake them on that I forgot to get because I'm an idiot. You need to freeze your butter for about 15 minutes. And your oven at 450 degrees. A little bit of ultra ray magic. Start by grating the butter on the largest one. If you don't have that, cut this into little cubes, push between your fingers. That's called the dime method. Once your butter's grated, add your flour, salt, and your baking powder. And then mix the shit out of it. Add your milk. Start with about 2/3 of it. Just mix until it just comes together. Don't overmix your biscuits. Incorporate everything else. Push, push, push. You have a nice massive dough worked out of your bowl. Roll it out to a single layer. Fold it over once, fold it over again, and turn. And roll it again. And we're gonna do that fold one more time. Turn. From here, we're gonna roll it out to about 1/2 inch uniform thickness. For those of you that don't have a ring mold, use your knife and cut the end off, and then just make a grid pattern, and you would cut uniform squares. Once you do your first cut, just pack it back out again. Hang out in your 450 degree oven for like 15 to 20 minutes. We're about halfway done. Rotate them 180 degrees. Make sure they cook evenly. Oh shit! Bam. Beautiful plate of biscuits. In the amount of time you watch this video, you could have these in the oven. Stupid simple. If you don't have AP flour and you have self-rising flour, even better. Just don't use the baking powder. That's literally all self-rising flour is.